Hi, I'm George the Weather Dad, and we're heading on into the last weekend of October. And those of us here in the Midwest, well, it's going to be a little bit on the stormy side. Temperature-wise, though, on Friday it's going to be fairly warm. On the eastern half of the country, very cold air now spilling out of Canada up in the northern Rockies. And that cold air will be heading south over the next couple of days. On Saturday, we're starting to see now some colder air work its way into portions of Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin, and the Great Lakes. Still warm, though, in the southeast and up and towards the northeast, but notice the expansion of the cold air up to the north. Now on Sunday, it even gets a little bit more towards the east, but not real quick, because this frontal system right there, separating the warm from the cold, is going to take its time. It's going to park itself over the Ohio Valley, and then we're going to see a little bits of energy, and that's going to kick off some showers and thunderstorms. So let me show you the rainfall and the precipitation here. This is on our Friday. Lots of precipitation up in Canada, snow in the northern Rockies, but here's where the action is going to take place, because that's the battleground between the cold and the warm. This is on Friday. You'll see some showers and a few thunderstorms, potentially a few severe ones there in the Ohio Valley. Now that's on Friday. Here we go on into Saturday. It weakens here a little bit in the Ohio Valley, but notice the large area of showers and thunderstorms in the Central Plains and down into Texas. We could be looking at a little bit of flooding there, and again, some severe weather. This is that next bit of energy. So the front gets close here on Saturday in the Ohio Valley, and it works its way up into the northeast, but then it kind of stops waiting for this bit of energy. Now on Sunday, it flattens out a little bit. Again, line of showers and thunderstorms. Could be some heavy rain. Could even see a little bit of severe weather. Looks like snow for Denver and parts of the Central Plains. That's on Sunday. So the weekend itself is going to be relatively stormy. But where's this front going to end up? For Halloween. That's right, Halloween's on Tuesday, and so temperature-wise, most of the country will be well below normal. We're seeing temperatures probably anywhere between 10 to 30 degrees below normal, especially up in the high plains, the Ohio Valley and the Midwest. High temperatures for trick-or-treaters will only be in the 40s, potentially even the lower 50s. It's going to be warm down in the extreme southeast and down into Florida for the trick-or-treating. All right, precipitation now for Halloween. Where's it going to end up? There could be some snow up in Minnesota and Wisconsin, northern Illinois. There's the front itself. It's going to drape itself across the Tennessee Valley. It will slowly push its way down towards the southeast. But for us here in the Ohio Valley, it's going to be a close call, but I think it's going to be dry, but it's going to be very chilly. The rest of us will be dry, but again, it's going to be unseasonably cold for Halloween. I'm George the Weather Dad, and that's your weekend outlook.